I gave up Friday night lights for this. Want to see why? Let's go take a look inside. Welcome to 3330 Casa Rosa Drive, a classic mid-century modern home located in the established Casa Linda neighborhood. Let's go see what else she has to offer. This ranch-style home was built in 1957 and features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and sits just under 2,300 square feet. This house is a true mid-century lover's dream. With this home's unique floor plan and untouched mid-century modern aesthetic, this property is more than just a house, it's a place to call home. If you'd like to make it yours, contact me with the information below. See you next time, y'all.